Welcome to Prakash Realm of Learning and follow the playlist Build Your Word Power in English. Here are the today's two idiomatic expressions. They are turn a blind eye to something or somebody and turn over a new leaf. Look at the usage of turn a blind eye to something or somebody in a sentence. The meaning of this idiom is in the end, though. Now let's try to find out its meaning from the sentence given here. Here are the sentences. Sentence number 1. Indian politicians tend to turn a blind eye to the critical issues and focus exclusively on petty issues just to fool the innocent people. Sentence number 2. The real persons cannot turn a blind eye to the wishes and expectations of their parents when they are old. Sentence number 3. Can a teacher turn a blind eye to a student because he or she usually asks difficult questions? The next idiomatic phrase here is turn over a new leaf. Look at its uses in the sentence. Sentence number 1. With Corona just round the corner, everyone wants to turn over a new leaf in their lifestyle so as to boost their immunity. Sentence number 2. After a catalog of failures, he turned over a new leaf, formulated an effective strategy and achieved success. Let's find out the nuances or detailed account of the phrase turn a blind eye to something or somebody. It is in fact a fixed expression. You cannot say turn the blind eye or turn one's blind eye or turn their blind eyes. It is fixed and you cannot change the internal structure of this phrase. They are unacceptable if you tend to do that. As a student, if you want to go abroad for higher study, you have to get through IELTS, TOEFL or GRE for scholarship. And you can get it only when you have good score. There are so many questions with regard to collocations and idioms, and you need to identify the nuances of each collocations or idioms so as to find out the mistake and do well in the examination. Let's come to the meaning of this phrase, turn a blind eye. It means ignore something or somebody deliberately or on purpose. Other synonyms are turn one's back on something or somebody, take something for granted, or disregard something. The meaning of turn over a new leaf means start behaving in a better way. Other phrases with almost same meaning are change one's ways or mind, mend one's ways, or make a fresh start. If you think videos of this kind will help you improve your word power, please like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.